Are you tired of dealing with tangled charging cables and slow charging speeds? Well, it is time to upgrade your setup with the best wireless charging pads 2025. Whether you need a fast charging solution for your smartphone, earbuds, or multiple devices at once, we have rounded up the top wireless chargers that combine speed, convenience, and style. From sleek designs to advanced safety features, these chargers will make powering up your devices easier than ever. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. At number 5, the ZealSound wireless charging pad delivers a premium charging experience with its 3x10W output, allowing you to charge 3 smartphones or earbuds simultaneously. This PU leather charging pad offers a luxurious design while ensuring efficient heat dissipation for safe charging. Its multi-mode charging supports fast 10W and 7.5W, as well as standard 5W speeds, making it compatible with a wide range of devices, including iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, and Pixel smartphones. Safety is a priority with multifunctional Intelligent Protect technology, safeguarding against overheating, surges, and short circuits. The included 24W AC to DC power supply boosts charging speed by 5%, eliminating the need for additional accessories. Its anti-slip surface ensures devices stay securely in place, making it a perfect fit for home or office use. With high-end materials, versatility, and advanced safety features, the ZealSound wireless charging pad is an excellent addition to any charging setup. Taking the 4th spot is the INIU wireless charger, a powerful and safe charging solution trusted by over 38 million users worldwide. Designed with next-generation air-fuel technology, this wireless charger delivers an impressive 15W speed boosting charge, reducing waiting time by up to 45 minutes. It features 4 upgraded charging modes, offering 15W fast charging for LG, 10W for Samsung Galaxy, 7.5W for iPhone, and 5W for other devices. The smart self-adaptive LED indicator brightens during the day and dims at night, ensuring a disturbance-free sleep. Safety is a priority with the exclusive NTC Temp Degree Guard battery protection, which intelligently controls temperature in real time to prevent overheating. The certified superconductor dual coils provide a wider charging area, allowing you to use your phone in portrait or landscape mode without interrupting power flow. With its fast charging capabilities, enhanced safety features, and user-friendly design, the INIU wireless charger is an excellent addition to any setup. At number 3, the Fdgao fast wireless charger delivers high-speed charging with extensive compatibility for a wide range of devices. This 20W fast wireless charging pad supports Huawei Mate 40 Pro series, while its 15W charging mode is perfect for iPhones and Samsung's latest models. It also provides 10W and 7.5W fast charging for older Samsung Galaxy and iPhone models, along with 5W standard charging for AirPods and Galaxy Buds. Designed for convenience, this charger supports case-friendly charging through protective cases up to 6mm thick, eliminating the need to remove your phone case. Its ultra-slim and compact design, featuring a non-slip rubber surface, makes it highly portable and stylish for home or office use. Taking the 2nd spot is the Yootech wireless charger, a versatile and user-friendly charging solution with 3 charging modes to accommodate various devices. It supports 7.5W fast charging for iPhones, 10W for Samsung Galaxy models, and 5W standard charging for Google Pixel and other wireless charging-enabled devices. Designed with AirPods in mind, its compact charging area ensures a perfect fit, making it an ideal companion for AirPods and AirPods Pro. Safety is a top priority with multifunctional Intelligent Protect technology, providing temperature control, surge protection, and short-circuit prevention. Constructed from fire-resistant ABS material and UL certified, it guarantees a secure charging experience. At number 1, the Anker 313 wireless charger stands out as a reliable and efficient charging solution trusted by over 50 million users worldwide. Designed for complete convenience, it allows you to charge your phone or earbuds instantly by simply placing them in the center of the PowerWave pad, eliminating the need for plugging and unplugging cables. It offers universal compatibility with a 10W output for Samsung Galaxy devices, 7.5W for iPhones, and 5W standard charging for other smartphones and wireless earbuds, including AirPods. Through case charging ensures that you do not need to remove your phone case, as it can charge through protective cases up to 5 mm thick, except for those with magnetic or metal attachments.